Handy Andy back with another unboxing. We're looking at the Schlage Encode. This is a Wi-Fi deadbolt lock that you can install on your front door. It doesn't require a hub and you can activate and use it with a key as well. So key, keypad, and app control all inside this lock that's inside this box. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing. Okay, let's take a look and see what it looks like. Here's the interior plate. This is what you're going to see inside your lock. So I'll leave that to the side. The deadbolt itself, now it's very important when you're looking for a smart lock to try to get a deadbolt one because this offers the most protection because you can't really kick that door through like they do in the movies. Well, here's the front part of the lock, and this is what I really want to see. So you'll notice it's got a touch screen with numbers, but also a key and lock on the back. So this will connect together. It is battery powered. The batteries should be inside here. So I'll just leave that aside to see what else is in here. Oh, it does come with batteries. It does come with a single key and the plates, screws, and everything that you need to do this install. And of course, it's going to have a quick start guide to help you through the setup, both in English and in French. And I see one other thing here, way in the bottom. Whoa. If you have any questions, you can call them to get some support, the QR code, and I believe that is it. So I'll organize this, and then we'll just quickly take a look and see everything that comes with this kit for the Schlage Encode. So here's everything outside of the box. Of course, you have the exterior. That's a touch screen with an actual physical lock. And you also have the interior, which houses the 4 included AA batteries. There's also one key that it comes with the strike plates and all the screws that you need. And of course, it does come with the deadbolt. And instruction manuals, if you need any help, you can call them too, or even scan that QR code if you run into any issues. So this concludes the unboxing of the Schlage Encode. Be sure to watch the full review. I will be installing this and putting it through its paces because this is a Wi-Fi enabled smart lock, meaning it will connect to my network without the need of a hub, which has already got my attention, and then I can control it from a smartphone and even through voice assistants. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your comments. We'll see you at the review of the Schlage Encode.